We're at the Shirley Apartments, 10 Montgomery Avenue in Bala Cynwyd. Beautiful day. Large, expertly run apartment building in Bala Cynwyd. Beautiful stone, really nice landscaping. Building's under brand new management and is being very well taken care of. It's in a residential neighborhood. It's a really beautiful, beautiful place. This is one of the common area entrances. Doors are open now because they're doing maintenance work. But typically these are all locked and closed. Here is one set of mailboxes. Okay. And you can walk up the steps to the unit. But this is an example of what the common area is like for every single unit. Now we'll take you up to the unit.
Hey everybody, I'm at the intersection of Bala and Montgomery Avenue. This is Montgomery Avenue and this is Bala. I'm about to show you a 2-bedroom unit in this apartment complex. Here on the first floor, you have a lot of businesses. You have a beauty salon here, a studio for photography over there, a fitness center, a massage place, and here on this avenue, which is the Montgomery, we have the units, which I'm going to show you now. It is a 2-bedroom unit. The name of the building is Shirley. And this apartment complex has multiple buildings. The smallest street you see over there is Hardway. On that street there are 2 buildings. The unit I'm about to show you is located in this building. So to get to the unit, you have to go through 2 doors. The first one you can't get in without a key, but for the second one you have to have a key. Here on my right, I have this fire station. On the left, I have a mailbox, and here the left side door will take you to the higher floors, to the second and the third floor. And the first floor will be on the right, here inside the right door. On this floor, on the first floor, there are 4 units. The unit I'm about to show you is located here. The first one to your right. The unit number is A2. So as you open the door, the first thing you will notice is this beautiful hardwood floor, and it's a very high ceiling living room, a spacious living room. The living room has non-working fireplace, and also it has there a door which is gonna take you back to the outside. Here you have a closet space in the living room, and when I open the door, here you have this small patio, your private space. I just came in through that door over there, and Here is your living room. So the next room inside this unit, here on my right is the dining room. Over there is the kitchen. So I will show you the dining room first. The dining room has two huge windows, and that's the baseboard heater for the heat. The heat is central. For the air, you have a window unit. In this dining room, you have this nice built-in closet. I believe it's cabinet space. I don't know what to call that. You have this nice storage space. Nice size dining room. Next to the dining room, you have the smaller bedroom. The unit has two bed and two baths. This is the first bedroom. The next one will be here, the master bedroom. In master bedroom, you have a bathroom, the full bath inside the master bedroom. You have the kitchen. Here you have a guest bathroom. First, let's take a look at the first bedroom. This bedroom this is very huge bedroom. It has high ceiling. It's a beautiful hardwood floor, huge window, and you have this huge closet space. Big closet space with the shelf. You'll be like looking out to Montgomery Avenue through the window, and the bedroom is huge. This is actually the smaller bedroom, but still it's a very big size bedroom. And as you walk out of the smaller bedroom, on your left hand side you have a bathroom. On the right hand side you have the master bedroom. The master bedroom, as I walk in, this is this high ceiling, same hardwood floor. On my left here we have huge closet space. Big closet space. It has actually a pull-on switch. A closet space. And this is just another light. It's getting darker. This is the bedroom, the master bedroom. The window, these two windows, is facing the back of the building. This is huge. All right, over there at the right, you have a full bath inside the bedroom. The bathroom has a beautiful tile floor, almost brand new. It has tile wall and sliding door. For the bathtub, you have a bathtub and shower combo. Here you have toilets, frosted window for fresh air, and also you have a medicine cabinet with a mirror and almost brand new sink. Everything here in this bathroom is almost new. Then as I walk out of the master bedroom, here in front of me I will have a guest bedroom, a bathroom I mean. It has similar beautiful tile floor, nice sink, medicine cabinet with a mirror, toilet, nice tile wall, and it is stored shower. That's bathroom. Then the last unit I would like to show you is the kitchen. This unit has a beautiful kitchen. It has upgraded countertop, a lot of storage cabinet. You have on this side as well. It's a beautiful floor. In a kitchen, you have washer and a dryer. You have a dishwasher. You have a built-in microwave. You have gas oven. You have a refrigerator. As I said, you also have upgraded countertop. Everything is almost brand new. The room you see up front is the living room. I just came through that door earlier. Here in the kitchen, here on my right, you have a door. The door that takes you to the fire exit. So I open the first door to your left is the fire exit. You take the stairs down to the first floor. It will take you there. So I just showed you unit A2 of the Shirley building. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment. To go through quickly, this is the living room. This is the dining room. Here is the bedroom, smaller bedroom. On my left, the guest bathroom. On my right, the master bedroom with a full bath. To show you the 2-bedroom unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.